we've rallied back a couple of times now over the last month and a half, 2 months, into the low to mid 350s. 351.39 is a 50% upside retracement from the December high against that April low, and 354.23 is a still valid 2-year channel top that we violated, but it's pretty crisp and clear. We closed above it, we rallied, almost reaching our objective at 516.58, this channel top in December, fell back, bounced very slightly off of this channel top before then closing below it the week later, and we collapsed out to the April low. Now it's holding on the way back up. There have been daily settlements above that 354.23 channel top, but we've not yet closed above it on a weekly basis. We keep backing away and closing Fridays below it, and last time this happened, we sold off to this targeted channel bottom. So when we were testing the low 350s at that time, back in May, we were then expecting the 304.01 rising 3-month channel bottom, which was in the 270s at that time, held nicely, and since then we anticipated upward rotation into the 350s. This has been a kind of a ping-pong match now for the last better part of 2 months. Now that we've tested the low 350s, we are once again expecting 304.01 rising channel bottom. We do have in the immediate vicinity 330.37. We pretty much closed right at that structure on Wednesday, but if we open below 330.37 today, that is day resistance. And if we close lower on the day, below, of course, the 330.37 channel bottom, then 304.01 is actually in reach, quite possibly tomorrow, Friday. On the way down today, we have 317.29. That is an extreme channel bottom that can contain intraday selling pressures, and from there we could bounce to 330.37 on an intraday basis. We could spend a fair amount of the day below 330.37 and above 317.29. But if we break or open today below 317.29, we can today test 304.01. This 3-month channel bottom once again able to contain selling on a weekly, possibly into later July basis. From here we can round up once again into the low to mid 350s within a couple of weeks of testing 304.01. Now I think if we close below 304.01, we have ourselves a significant sell signal into July and really through the rest of the third quarter. I think if we close below 304.01, 272.87 likely. This could be 3 to 5 days, 1 to 2 weeks, 221.86 within a month or so, and then within 2 to 3 months of closing below 304.01, I do think we could anticipate the 160. If you're an options trader and we close below 304.01, you might reach for 165, 170 strike out of the money puts that don't expire for at least 6 months. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.